Hello, it's Eric. I'm looking around the corner, trying to see you. Looking around the internet, the pipelines, the oil, the water. Not same pipes, not same voice, throat. It's January 4th, 2017. Happy New Year. Are we all going to do better this year? She, the world, didn't know how to negotiate it. He, she. What was going to happen? I don't know. As if hands joining or... And just, the haze between us, or ever introduce this at a measuring station, or have a gray screen or gray mist. Technology manages to introduce some floating gray mist and it's not smog. And we just kind of sit there and push it a little and grab for these words, and I say to her, Jenny, I can't do anything. She grabs my hand or pulls through the mist, or we can't communicate. It's not so easy to negotiate, to get here. In life, adults, 17-year-olds, 36-year-olds, 72-year-olds line up as if at a food bank, a communications bank. Any conversation you might have, a jewelry clasp. I can't do a matching one on it, like a toggle clasp or lobster clasp or a pin circle, or I'm not knowledgeable on it, whatever they call it, spring ring, a spring wedding ring, anything. Your fingers can dip in the wet grass after morning has come and gone. Manipulate, lie there, legs spread. Your words can manipulate. Ever a body and people sitting beside each other and